Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to explain to you how you can easily exclude quotations and bibliographic list while using Quick Submit. If you remember in the first video about the Turnitin, we explained to you how you can easily activate a Quick Submit in your account because every user must activate Quick Submit in his or her own account, not the system administrators. No one can do it for you, but you have to log in yourself into your account, then activate the Quick Submit. The thing is that a quick submit does not give you before the submission of the document to exclude quotations or exclude bibliographic list. That in the normal submission. The normal submission, yes, you can set up everything. You go to the setting and exclude what you want to exclude and include what you want to include in your similarity checking. But with the quick submit as created by the company itself, because they want to help you to quickly check the similarity report for your documents. So that's why they make everything quick and easy for the users to quickly check the similarity reports. That's why exclusion and inclusion with the quick submit is coming after the submission of the document to check the similarity report, not before. So how you can do that, that we will show you shortly. So you will go to your Turnitin account, log in into your account with your credential, right? So once you're logged in, of course, you will go quickly to Quick Submit. No need to create classroom, no need to create assignment, right? As we mentioned in the first video. So here now I will go to Submit. And for the submission, then I will have to check these options, search the internet, search the students' papers and e-publications as well. Then I will select here, no repository. We explained about all these things in the first video. Please, you can still go back to the first video to know more about this issue. Then I go to submit, and here I will have to type my first name, last name, and the name of the document. Okay. The name of the document can be numbers or words or whatever as you like it, right? The system will accept both. So let's say I will say 852, for example. That will be the title of the document here. Then I will go for the location of my documents. So this is the documents available on my desktop. I will select Burj Khalifa, then submit the documents. Now I will go to upload the document to the Turnitin system. The system is working, uploading. So it's a small document, about 2 or 3 pages here, 4 pages, right? 4 pages. So normally will not take much time. So it depends. But if you have heavy documents like 100 pages or 200 pages, may take a longer time. It depends. All right. So everything is okay. So I confirm, yes, this is the document I want to check. So it's already submitted to Turnitin, and here you can see the message of confirmation from Turnitin. Congratulations, your submission is complete. This is your digital receipt. You can print a copy of this receipt from within the document viewers. All right, the document viewers, you can there is a receipt you can print from there. Always we say that this number is very important, the submission ID. This is the ID that can save our life when we have any problem with the Turnitin with this particular documents. So now I will go to inbox to see if the result are there. Yes, the result is available. This is the similarity report, 95%. Of course, this is not acceptable result. If any submission like this will be rejected, right? So it is very high. All right. So I will go to more details now here to see more details about this result. 95%, really, I'm not surprised, right? Because this is a copy paste from Wikipedia. I just copy and paste for the exercise of this video and use it here for this exercise. So, and Wikipedia is everything available on the internet. So 95% is not surprising. In fact, I was expecting 100% similarity report. So you can see here, this is the entire documents with the reference list here. So now we want to exclude the quotations and the reference list from this similarity report. So where we will go, here we will go here. Now click on this one, and this is the filter. This is our target. So I click on this and will give me this screen. All right. So you see before, so I did not exclude quotations. I did not exclude bibliographic list or the reference list. So now if I check this one, I will check this one, then they will be excluded. So here I can say apply changes. All right. So 2% is gone, which is good, pretty good. So instead, before it was 95%, but now it is 93%. Okay. I can do more exclusion. Go to the filter again. I can see here, for example, using the percentage, I can say that exclude like 5%, you know, any similarity reference or report less than 5%, I will tell the system to exclude it from the similarity report. That's exclude sources that are less than 5%. Again, this is your decision, okay? Oh, it's coming 51%. That is too much. All right, so make it 5. Yes, so 5%. You can go also by the number of the words, okay? Either you use percentage or the number of the words. If you say less than 5 words, for example, exclude from the similarity report. So both is up to you, but you have to use one of them, number of the words or the percentage, okay, here. All right. So I will say apply down. If you go down, you will see apply changes. You have to click on that. You have to click on apply changes to see the effect of the changes, the decision on your similarity report. So apply changes. All right. The system is working. Yes. Still no changes. Why? Because this document, I have only two references. I have Wikipedia and this health.zone. Okay, so it doesn't have that much. So Wikipedia 87%, and health I have 6%. Okay, but if I go to the filter, let's say I put 7%, less than 7%, so the health will disappear. Okay, let's say apply, will apply, again apply. Now you see, so that is gone. So it become now 87% only from the Wikipedia, right? So this is how we can benefit from exclusion and inclusion. Why we are using Quick Submit, right? And if here I refresh, the result will be also refreshed. So you can see here now 87%. All right. So that's all about the exclusion in the Quick Submit, how to use the filter. If you like this video, please like it, and please do subscribe to my channel to see more video to come. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.